Jenkins software. There are many things, guys. Okay, na? There's a procedure to follow. Let's one by one. So let's go for Eclipse ID. Where is this, guys? 906. That's fine. Launch it. Yeah, let's go for Paint, guys. File, open, file, open. Tell me, what is there? E-dry. Tell me, class content, Spring. What is this? What is this? Oh, that's good. Tools AFS. Why strength is less today? They don't like Jenkins, huh? Huh? Maybe I started bit early, huh? Okay. 906. Tell me next one. Where is this? Jenkins. Tell me. Jenkins. Here I will not use the words like this. I'll make it generic. Click on open. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Right. Hmm. Procedure to install what? Jenkins. Java version something. We have to make sure that Java version is ready. Okay. Let me check which version of Java is ready, guys. CMD. What is there? Java hyphen version. Yes. Okay. 21 version that is required. It is there. Okay. That's fine. Next, next one, download Jenkins setup file. So I want to clean what previous one, whatever previous one is there, I want to clean. So go to control panel. I don't want to keep any copy of it. Yeah, here you search for Jenkins. Jenkins project, right click uninstall. Jenkins project, right click uninstall because I want to do everything in front of you. Okay, that's good. Next, go to services.msc. What dot MSC? Services dot MSC. Okay. Here is my Jenkins. Yeah, here its copy is not there. That's good news. Okay, that's fine. Mm. Next, I'll check where are the possibilities of having this. D drive, some C drive, program files. Jenkins folder is there. Let me remove this. Jenkins folder is there. Let me remove this. Okay, that's fine. Next, I'll try to clean everywhere, guys. Control plus Shift plus Control plus Alt plus Delete. Task Manager. Control plus Alt plus Delete. Task Manager. Tell me. Okay. Open platform JDK, guys. End task. Okay. Java version fine. This is okay. Right. Task Manager. Okay. Okay, guys. Uninstall. Control plus Shift plus T. Task Manager. Task Manager Jenkins. Okay, good news. Right. OpenJDK platform is there. End task. What is there? End task. What is there? End task. End task and end task. That's good. CI/CD tool, right? Okay, that's fine. Download the Jenkins setup file. Jenkins download. Go to website. Browse here. Okay, what is this? Jenkins download. What is there? Jenkins download. I'm trying to download the Jenkins here, nothing else. Okay, that's fine. Stable versions. That's fine. Downloading Jenkins, hardware, software. Learning this. Okay. Mm, Jenkins distributed WAR file represented this hardware. Follow instruction. Once Jenkins package has been downloaded, install Jenkins. Okay, that's fine. Installing Jenkins. Where is that? Where is the download option I am looking for, guys? Okay, installing Jenkins, that's fine. Where is the option for downloading? Wait a minute. It will be there as a setup file. Should be there as a setup file. This is cloud one, leave it. Stable, learn more. Hey, where is this? Where is this? Download. What's the URL we actually are looking for? Select Windows. Okay. Go to download section where we can see Windows, guys. They have changed the entire ecosystem. Is there anything called Windows? I'm not able to see. Okay. Generic WAR file, download Jenkins. Which one I have to take? WAR. Okay. We'll take this one only. Okay, that's good. After that, what next? Select Windows. Automatically, Jenkins file will be downloaded. Is really downloaded automatically? Yes. Downloaded now, boss? Yes. Mm. Go to the folder. Yeah, five times it is downloaded. That's why number five has come. This is a setup file. MSI file means Microsoft installer, nothing but setup file. Okay. Right click, guys. Tell me. Open with what? Windows installer. Say next. Where you want to install. Some folder is there. That's fine. If you want, you can change the location. Say next. Okay. Run as a local machine domain user. No, run as what? System service. No username, no password. Okay. Say next. Default port number is this. Is that free? Yes, it's a free. Test port number is a free. It internally uses ping command, guys. What command? Ping command. Yeah. Say next. Asking to pick the JDK. Let me pick the JDK 21. Java JDK 21. That's good. Say next. Yeah, tell me next one. Okay, say next. Say install. Installation is going on. Yeah, I'm seeing people working with the laptops. I suggest not to do parallel practicals. I'll tell why. It's good, actually good to do parallel practical, but problem is there. Suppose you stuck it up in the middle. Your focus will be on the problem solving. By that time, 10 more points will be covered in the class. Because I cannot stop for one single person, right? Okay, that's why my suggestion is note down all the points. If needed, record all the points. Okay, practice by spending separate time. And I understood your excitement of learning Jenkins, but sabar ka phal meeta hota hai, right? Okay, first learn, then practice. Okay, na? Right. I'm not telling to one individual. I'm telling to every individual who are intentionally practicing parallelly. Hmm. Yeah, tell me, guys. Windows has come. Installation of Jenkins, that's fine. JDK 17 is there, but somehow we are interested in what? 21. Somehow we are interested in what? 21. That's good. Hmm. Start Jenkins server from what? Services.msc. Open services app, select Jenkins, change startup type to what? Manual. Then say what? Start. Then say start. Okay, that's good. Hmm. Okay, go to that means by default Jenkins will start, guys. I don't want to say it's a starting automatically. Here is what? Services.msc. Click on it. Here you search for Jenkins. Here you search for what? Jenkins. Right click, properties, startup type, manual. That means until we start manually, it will not be started automatically. That should be there, guys. That must be there. Hmm. Open Jenkins homepage and create what? Admin user. How to remove existing jobs and username password details from what? Jenkins software installation. Okay. Jenkins cleanup table. Stop Jenkins service. Delete old Jenkins jobs. What is there? Dot Jenkins folder will be there. Delete dot users. So if you delete what? Dot Jenkins folder, everything of old will be deleted. Because in my system already Jenkins is there. Na? It's better to delete everything. Remove saved credentials. Everything is there in dot Jenkins, guys. Entire magic is there in what? Dot Jenkins. If you delete dot Jenkins, everything will be deleted. Dot Jenkins. Any folder, right click, copy, recommended. Backup before deleting. No, I don't want to take any backup. Completely remove Jenkins reset, uninstall Jenkins, delete Jenkins folder. Okay, we did this. Tell me next one. Restart Jenkins service. Okay. So fine, guys. Yeah, I don't want to have any previous effect. I want to present everything freshly to you people. Yeah, let's see what we can do. This PC, C drive, come on, program files. Where is this? Users. No, that is different. That is just installed above. C colon Windows. Sorry, C colon Windows users Natraz dot Jenkins folder. Not there. Okay, what is the location, guys? Acha program data Jenkins. Okay, fine. C drive. Tell me program data Jenkins dot Jenkins. Continue this. So many old things are there. I am trying to delete. Continue. That's fine. Jenkins dot old. Yeah, service. I start the service? I don't think. Jenkins is okay. Stop the service. Stop the service. That's good. Program data Jenkins services.ms. Now we have to restart the Jenkins. Open the Jenkins page. Okay, we have to start the manual start. Okay, let me start the Jenkins software man explicitly. Okay, no old data, new Jenkins software is started. Now it will create a fresh copies. It will again create what? Fresh copies having current information. Okay. Open Jenkins homepage and create what? Admin user. By default will not be there. I want to create the admin user, right? Okay, that's good. HTTP, tell me, 6677. 6677. To ensure Jenkins secure admin set password is written to what? Okay, in dot Jenkins secret initial password. I think I deleted that. In the process of protection, I deleted that, right? In the process of deleting old one, I deleted new one. No, that's a zigzag password. It's not regular password, guys. Okay, fine. What to do? Reverse. Lucky people, one more time installation you will see. What you will see, max to max. Everything positive attitude is very important in life. Jenkins, yeah, dot Jenkins. Okay, secrets. Good, good, good. Nothing happened. It's there. Again, freshly created. Again, what? Freshly created. Initial password, notepad, just once. We got the password, guys. Oh, it's got disturbed. Huh? We got the password. Yeah. Earlier we deleted old Jenkins one. Okay, when I start the new Jenkins, again all the folders are freshly created. Again, all the folders are freshly created. Say paste. Click on continue. Install suggested plugin. Select plugins to install. Install suggested plugins. Select plugins to install. Okay. Customize Jenkins. It is installing all the regular plugins, guys. It takes time. Okay. Create a new user. Once plugins are installed, maybe it will provide environment to create a new user. Let's see. Takes big time, guys. Be patient. That does not mean you join in hospital. Be patient. We cannot even skip also. Are you practicing? Sure. All tools are completed. Where in your dreams? Tools practice is completed or not? Completed? Some all plugins installation is going on. Let's see. It takes, I think, few minutes. Yeah. Create first admin user. You can create any admin user. Admin, admin. Password is admin. Save and continue. What is there? Save and continue. Hey, why it is not responding? Acha, maybe something is there at the bottom. Email address. Okay, fine. Check the password, close. Jenkins URL. I want I'm okay with that. Okay. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. You will get the home page. This is the setup creation using Jenkins. So many people will get so many problems, okay, to keep the Jenkins setup ready. Right? So for everything I have given procedure. Even minute details also I kept ready, guys. Check it out. Yeah. Okay. And submit it. Okay. Dot, dot, dot. Take some time. Take some time to install the plugins. Be patient. Take some time. Okay. Be patient. Create a new admin user. This one, email, submit. After this process, restart the Jenkins. Log into Jenkins as what? Admin. Okay. Now you have come as a ghost user. Now you have to log in as an admin. So for that one, I have to restart the Jenkins. I have to restart the Jenkins once. Okay. Super guys. Restart the Jenkins once. Restarted or not started? Yeah, restarted. After restarting, guys, you just say 6677. Asking enter to admin. What is there? Admin. Keep me signed in so that every time I need not to pass, submit the username and pass. That's right. Okay. Yeah, we logged in as what? Admin, guys. Here is what? Credentials. About that admin details have come. Profile, user ID admin, add a description, whatever settings you want, you can do all the thing. This is admin related stuff. Yes. Up to this clear na boss? Okay, we'll revise. Yeah, in your system, there is no need of doing this procedure. Why? Because I'm very sure in your system already Jenkins is not there. But if you are practicing in lab computer, but you must do this. But if you do this, be careful. If anyone is practicing Jenkins, his content will go off. But since they are classroom application, you can take a chance. This is not a company level projects now, guys. So if you are doing practicals in your laptop, now no tension. I think nowadays everyone is carrying your laptop or still using Naresh IT computers. Don't have. Only lap space they are providing. Laptop is yours. Actually, good thing. That's actually good thing. Right. Okay. Yeah. First do this. Then what is there? Make sure that JDK 21 is there. Download the setup file. Procedure is given. Install it by selecting all the things. Next what, guys? Start Jenkins server. Okay. Then open the home page. It will ask you to submit the initial password. You have to collect from that file, special file, by going there. After installing plugins by taking time, minimum plugins. After installing minimum plugin by taking time, tell me what it will do. It will submit username, password, and all this stuff, right? Okay. Then what is there? Log into Jenkins as what? Admin. Username admin, password admin, login. That's good. Yeah, tell me. Eclipse IDE, A. Maven web application. We develop the Maven web application using Eclipse IDE. Okay. Then that we keep in what? Git. That we keep in what? Git. C. Okay. That we keep in keep. Okay. From Git, Jenkins server takes a web application, nothing but var file. By using what? It takes a web application, prepares the var file by using Maven tool, Maven plugin. Okay, good. Next, there is another plugin called deploy to container plugin. Using that, it will try to deploy to what? Tomcat server. See? Okay, next time onwards, you did modification, run the Jenkins job manually, periodically, automatically. So collecting the source code, okay, we just keep in the GitHub. That's the only thing we do manually. Collecting code from GitHub, preparing var file, deploying into server is automated or not there. Right now, I'm not keeping many other things. Unit testing, Jacaco, Sonar Cube, Selenium. Nothing I kept. I just kept a simple thing. Okay. I do modification. I commit to GitHub. This is manual work. This is manual work only. It's a manual work. Okay. After that, it's a manual. Uh, After that, okay, when you run the Jenkins jobs manually, automatically, periodically, come on, collecting the web application, preparing the WAR file, and deploying that WAR file to the server will be taken care automatically and internally or not there, guys? Will be taken care automatically and internally or not there, guys? I want reply from you people, guys. Come on, everyone. Yes, that's good. Tell me. Maven plugin is useful to prepare what? Var jar file. Git plugin is useful to collect what? Var jar file from Git. Deploy to container plugin is useful to deploy the var file to Tomcat server or container. To deploy to Tomcat server or what? Container. Everyone getting my point, my dear? Yes. Okay, Git plugin to collect the project from source code from GitHub. And Maven plugin is useful for what purpose? To collect the source code and to prepare the var jar file. Deploy to container plugin is useful to deploy to one or other server or not there, guys. To deploy to what? One or other server. So first of all, I have to keep these plugins ready or not there, guys. I have to keep these plugins ready. But some of these plugins expect software installation manually. So to configure Maven for Maven plugin, Maven software should be installed manually. To configure Git for Git plugin, okay, Git Bash software should be installed manually. So that's the reason we are doing it. Make sure that Maven is installed in your computer by downloading and extracting what? Zip file to configure Maven plugin to Jenkins. Right. So what I do is I do everything freshly in front of you. If needed, we'll spend one extra day for the practicals, but I want to clean practicals. Nothing should be felt already there. Sar has done some magic. No, no, no. I don't want to do any kind of magic. Everything I want to do in front of you. Okay. Right. Tell me. Here is my C drive. Here is my what? C drive. Tell me. Here is D drive. Apache Maven. Apache Maven is there now, guys. Okay. I'm deleting all of them. Okay. Apache Maven. Okay. Apache Maven. Maven software is not there. Huh? Apache ActiveMQ. Okay, that's fine. Not there. We try to download from internet. What is there in that? Apache Maven. Apache Maven download latest. Apache Maven download latest. Current Maven this. Yeah. What is this? Apache Maven this. Click on it. Yeah. Right click. Open with. See, in Eclipse, Maven is built in, but to configure Maven to Jenkins, Maven should be installed manual. Yeah. Open with the WinRAR. Open with what? WinRAR. Tell me. Next, extract to. What is there? Extract to. Extract to E drive. Tell me next one. E drive. Speak out, guys. Class content. E drive class content. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Eat dry, not class content, not eat dry. Meven 3.9.16 soft. Okay, that's good. Apache Meven. I think it might have extracted. Okay, that's good. We'll see whether it is extracted or deep dry. Meven 3.9 point soft. This. Okay, this is Meven software is installed now, my dear. Fine. That is one thing that is done. Okay, that's good. Next, install git bash to your computer to configure git plugin to Jenkins. This is also separate installation, guys. To configure git plugin, you have to install git bash. Git bash is like a client to GitHub, command prompt based client to GitHub. That means which can connect to GitHub to collect the project. Okay, git bash is a client to GitHub which can connect to GitHub, which can be used to perform pull, push, commit, rollback, this kind of activity, but command prompt based. Eclipse is having built-in Git plugin. Eclipse is having built-in Maven plugin. Eclipse is having built-in Gradle plugin. That's why we never seen the pain so far. But Jenkins server is not giving all these plugins. Plugins are Maven. Plugins are built-in are there. If not there, we install. But to make those plugins working with some software, those softwares are not built in. Come on. Plugins are built in, but relevant softwares are not built in. That's the reason we are arranging what? Softwares. We are arranging the software. Everyone getting my point, my dear? Communication is very, very important, guys. If clarity is not there in communication, sir, in Maven you have, even in Eclipse you have not done all these things. Maven is giving all these things. Sorry, Eclipse is giving all these things as what? Built-in plugins. Maven is giving all these things as what? Built-in plugin. I want them as what? Built-in plugin. I don't want them as built-in plugins. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Yes. Is there? Yeah. Now I have to now search. Hey, why system is slow, huh? It's a dancing like anything, right? System is very, very slow, right? Okay. Why? What happened? Jenkins is that much heavy software, huh? Let me stop all unnecessarily folders. Yeah, fine. Let it be, guys. Yeah, git bash installation. Git bash download. Download for Windows. Git installation for Google also thinking I like ChatGPT. Great. Google also thinking I like ChatGPT. It's good. Yeah. Step by step installation guide. Yeah. Git install for Windows. Yeah. Install. Click here to download Git for Windows. Yeah. It has come now. It directly comes as a exe file, guys. We are arranging software that are required for Git plugin of Jenkins, Maven plugin of Jenkins. Deploy to container requires what? Tomcat server that is already there. Actually, you have to install Tomcat server also, but we already know how to install Tomcat and it is ready in our system. That's why we are not installed. For three plugin, three software should be kept ready. For Maven plugin, Maven software. Git plugin, Git software. Deploy to container plugin, Tomcat software. So we got it, guys. Here is right click, run as administrator. Say yes. Say install. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, system has become very slow. I don't want to launch Git bash, guys. Finish. Let me check Git bash is installed properly or not. Program files, Git. Here also bin directory. That means it is also installed. Happily Git bash is installed or not there, guys. That's good. Great. Okay. Fine, my dear. Yeah. So Git bash is also ready in our system. This is what I want to say. Install Tomcat 1 server. This is having port number other than what? 8080. Fine. That is already there. Update the admin roles in what? Tomcat user.xml file. Okay. Yeah. What is this? Add this for admin role. Alright, this admin is nowhere related to Jenkins admin. Jenkins admin is different. Tomcat admin is different. So Tomcat admin basically having these two roles by default, but I want to add extra role. What is the extra role, guys? Manager script AI. Hmm. Manager script. Add this. This one you have to add. So I think in my system, Tomcat is there in what? D drive. Tomcat is there in what? D drive. Tell me. Tomcat 11.x conf folder. Now where is this? Tomcat user.xml file. Open with what? Notepad. Open with what? Notepad. Here commented. No, this is already on, guys. Here, what is there? Manager scripta. What is there, guys? Manager script. Manager script. Save it. Yeah. Manager UI. Allow access to HTML GUI and status page. Manager script. HTTP and what? Status pages. JMX proxy and status pages. Status. Allow access only status pages. These are the built-in roles in what? Tomcat. These are built-in roles in what? Tomcat. Along with the Tomcat, those roles. Roles are like designations, guys. They're very useful for authorization or not there, guys. They're definitely very useful for what? Authorization. No doubt in that. They are very, very useful in what? Authorization. These are the built-in roles. Okay, that's good. Add this. Okay. Configure the following tools in Jenkins as the Jenkins plugins. If Git option is not coming in tool section to configure, then we need to add what? That plugin as shown below. Dashboard, manage Jenkins, plugins, available plugins. Search for Git. All Git related plugins you select, guys. All the tools you want to configure Jenkins must be installed as plugin by going to plugin section. That means all the tools will appear in the tool section only when their respective plugins are installed from what? Plugin section. Respective plugins are installed in what? Plugin section. Okay, that's why what I do is I'll make first of all to configure what is there? Configure following plugins. First plugin to configure is what? Git. But to get this list in the Git, first of all, Git plugin should be installed or not there, guys. Okay, first one. One is what? Configuring plugin. One is installing plugin. So first I try to configure the plugin. Okay, go to this. But after doing all these things, it's better to restart the Jenkins once, na boss. Better to restart the Jenkins once. Better to restart the Jenkins once. Yeah, here admin is there. Fine, that's okay. There are no credentials. How come? Global credentials should always be everywhere. Username and with the password. Admin, admin password, admin, click on create. Okay, let it be. We got it, guys. Jenkins homepage. This is Jenkins homepage. Just say refresh. Okay, I close it because I restarted Jenkins. After that, let me try this. HTTP, what is there? HTTP localhost 6677. Okay, we got it. I said keep me signed in. That's why it is going for it. Yes, my dear, that's good. Yeah, first of all, configure following tools for Jenkins login dashboard, manage Jenkins tools. Jenkins login. What is next? New item. That's fine. But where is the option, guys? Manage Jenkins. Here is the option. Welcome to Jenkins. That's fine. Settings. Yeah, manage Jenkins is there now, guys. Okay. Manage Jenkins. What is there? Okay, first you have to configure tools. First you have to configure tools. Okay, see in the tool section, Git is coming by default, that's good. If not coming, you have to install Git. JDK coming by default, cool. Next, Gradle, Ant installation, Maven installation coming. But deploy to container, these things are not coming. It's better to install those plugins are not there. Okay, that's why what I do is go to plugin section. These are what available plugins. In that one, Git server, Git related all the plugins I want to install. Okay, Git parameter, whatever Git are there. Actually, not required. Already one is appearing, but on safe side, I'm installing what all the plugins. Wherever Git word is there, I am appending GitLab API. That's fine. Actually, these many not required, guys. That's fine. Okay. Along with that, I'm also trying to install what deploy to container. Deploy to container. Yeah. Here also there now was deploy to container. Yes. Here what is there? Install option. It is trying to install one by one plugin. It is trying to install plugin one by one. Restart the Jenkins. Downloading is going on. It's restarting the Jenkins, guys. Download in progress. These are available plugins, guys. These are installed plugins. In the installed plugin, let me show Git. Git related multiple plugins are there, na? JDK or OpenJDK, whatever it is. Next, Maven related plugins because they are already coming. Deploy to container is there, na boss? Deploy to container is there or not there, guys? Okay. See now updates, no updates, available plugins, that's good. Install plugins, that's good. Okay. Uninstall Ant plugin. If you want, you can uninstall something, guys. Okay. But fine, guys. Okay. Now what I do is I'll try to restart the Jenkins. Because after installing plugin, it's better to restart it once. Okay, that's great. 6677 enter key. 6677 enter key. Tell me here, where is this? Manage. Building on built-in mode can be security issue. You should use a distributed for documentation. Fine. Leave it, guys. Okay, dismiss this. Jenkins enforce security policy. Fine. This is also not a issue. Okay. So now plugins are installed. Necessary plugins are installed. Tools. We have to start configuring the tools. Okay. Let's see. Touch for start. Yeah. Git installation. We have to take the Git. Maven installation. You have to select the Maven software. JDK installation, you have to select the JDK software, guys. Okay, next. Okay, this deploy to container is already there. Okay, deploy to container plugin is already there. Okay, now what is there? One by one, I have to install. Yeah, first, what is this? Maven configuration. Okay. Mhm. Maven configuration, this one. Settings file in this file path. What is there? File path. Just see and configure. Don't think much. See and configure. Git me when. Oh, it is showing add me when. But here we have a different option now, boss. Manage Jenkins. That's fine. Tools. Okay. That's fine, guys. Tools. 1 minute. Is there anything we can okay, leave it. JDK. Okay, add JDK. We'll start with what? JDK. JDK 21. JDK home directory. We can install automatically, but already there in my system now. Let me use that only for confidence purpose. Where is this guy? C drive. C drive. Program files. Where is this? Java. Where is this? JDK. What is this? Bin directory. Copy these guys. Tell me. Say paste. Yeah, home only na. Just type this. Just type this. Okay, JDK is added. Save. Save. Go for tools configuration. JDK is done. Tell me next one. Add Git. Add Git. Select Git. Here also I'll take the logical name Git one. Path to executable. Git is there in my system in which place, guys? Git. Okay, this is the location where Git is there na. Path to executable. Where git.exe is there, that we have to pass. You take a reference document. You take the reference document always. Git.exe file. Copy this. Say paste. Save this. Not plugins, guys. Where is this? Tools. Not plugins, tools. Okay, that's fine. Okay, git.exe. Next, Gradle Maven, I don't want to add. No, Git is Maven installation. I want to have Maven installation or not there, guys. What's the logical name? Maven 1. Some name, guys. Version 3.9.16. That's good. Okay. Add installer. Add installer. Okay, that's fine. extract star.zip, install Apache, run batch command. No, install automatical I don't take because I installed manually now, but I explicitly installed it, right? Okay, go to Maven installation folder. If you don't want to install Maven Git separately, you can make here also installing automatically. That is also there. Okay, right. Tell me next one. D drive. Where is this? Maven soft. Yes, guys. Where bin directory is there, that you have to take. Where bin directory is there, that we have to take. Save this. All configurations are done, my dear. Come on. Yeah, once again, check it out. Yeah, this is, forget about this. Settings. Use default Maven global settings. JDK installation. Okay, JDK installation. We have given our own JDK setup. Next, Git installation. We have given our own Git setup. And okay, next one, Gradle and we ignored because we don't want to work with Gradle and. If you want, you can use that also. If you want, you can use that also. It's like global boss. This can be used in every Jenkins job configuration. What is Jenkins job? Jenkins job is a task where we go for some configuration from where code should be taken, how to build, how where to deploy. Every information we provide. Every information we provide. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Yes. Okay. This is everything manual. No, you don't want to install softwares on your own. Then what you can do? So, for example, you take Git one. For example, you take what? Git one. Delete Git. Okay. Now delete Git. Okay. Now we have got add Git now, guys. Git. Okay, guys. Git to one. Okay, that's fine. Git one. Install automatically. Once I select install automatically, asking to select the installer. Asking to select the installer. Extract the batch file. Okay, download the URL for batch file. Download. You have to mention URL where we can download it. Okay. So Git software installation folder is what, guys? Go to this place, come here, Git installation folder, Git in Git bash installation, which is very headache process. Git bash installation, Git for Windows. Yeah, I think this is the URL now, boss. Click here for download is there now, boss. If you click on it, download will start or not there. That means this is going to be URL or not there, guys. This is going to be URL. It is quite complex process. That's why we don't prefer this, guys. We don't prefer this. Click on save. So it will take care of installation. But whether it will take properly or not, we cannot guess until it happens. We cannot guess until it what happens. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay. We cannot guess until it happens, boss. Understanding my statement, my dear? So that's why it's better to go for manual configuration or not there, guys. That's the reason I always prefer going for what? Manual config. Git name is what? Git one. Git name is Git one. Tell me next one. Path to Git. Path to Git is what? C drive. C drive. Tell me. Program files. Git. Where is this? Bin directory. Copy this. Say paste. Yeah. Slash git.exe. Slash git.exe. Tell me. Okay, that's fine. Click on save. I think you got the clarity. Three plugins related software. Deploy to container is there. Okay, that related software Tomcat is also ready. But still, these are global configuration. That means while creating any Jenkins job to deploy any project, these softwares can be used. Git can be used, Maven can be used, JDK can be. These are global configuration of the tools, guys. These are not specific to each Jenkins project. These are common for all the jobs what we create. The task we automate, build and deployment is called Jenkins job. Jenkins job can use all these global tools configuration. Okay, na? Right. That's good. I think you got the clarity, guys. First, what I did, install Jenkins, changed the password, admin password created. Then what is this? And then what I did, I installed the necessary plugin which are not coming by default, and I configured software for those plugins as a global configuration, so that while automating each project build and deployment, these global configurations can be used. I created 20 Jenkins jobs. I can make all of them using same JDK. I can make all of them using what? Same Maven. I can make all of them using what? Same Git to get the project from GitHub. They are global configurations, right? Okay. Okay, that's good. Now, what is there? Install deploy to container. Yes, that is there. If any tool is not appearing in Jenkins tool section for configuration, then we need to install that as Jenkins plugin from dashboard. Manage Jenkins plugins section. That is what. Now, I'm asking to develop the project. I'm asking to develop the project. There's something I have to automate now, my dear. Some project I have to automate or not there. First, I have to develop the project. Then I have to keep in the Git. Then I have to create a Jenkins job, collecting project from GitHub. Next one, creating a job, sorry, var file, and deploying that var file by using deploy to container plugin of Tomcat. Okay, first we'll start. I think so far setup is ready. Jenkins software installation is one part, and keeping tools ready. But to work with the tools, plugin should be installed. Actually, you have to configure global tools, guys. What me when you want to use what JDK. But some of them will not come automatically. Then what I should do? I have to go for explicit installation of plugins or not. I have to go for explicit installation of plugins or not there. Yes. Okay, that's fine. So now here I will try to develop Maven project. Say next. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen. What is there? Web app. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen web app. Where is this, guys? Yes, this one. That's good. Jenkins web app one. Jenkins web app one. What is there, guys? Jenkins web app one. Okay. Here I'm saying Jenkins web app one default package com.nt.server. Save finish. Say yes. Jenkins web app one. Okay. Go to pom.xml, guys. Go to pom.xml. Here, I'll try to add Java 21. 21. Yeah, that's good. Here I will try to add Jakarta Servlet API. Okay, that's good. mvnrepository.com. Jakarta Servlet API. 6.1.0. That's good. Copy this. 6.1.0. Copy this. Dependencies open, dependencies close. Dependencies open, dependencies close. That's good. Jakarta Servlet API. That's great. Java resources. That's good. Yeah. Build path, configure build path. Select these two checkboxes. Then you will get complete directory structure. Then you say Maven update. Then you say Maven update. Save. What is there? Maven update. That's fine. Okay, we'll make it this one as index.html. Fine, what is there in that? H1 style, color colon red, align center. Align what? Center. Tell me. Yeah, that's good. Here is my index dot. Color colon red text hyphen align center. Okay. Welcome to Jenkins. What is there? Welcome to Jenkins. Welcome to Jenkins. That's fine. Yeah, HRF. Wish. Show wish message. Right now, output is not so important, guys. Show wish message. Leave it. Okay. Now come to this SRC main Java. Right click new package com.nt.servlet. Here is what? New class. Okay. Wish message servlet. What is there? Wish message servlet. Super class is what? HTTP servlet. Save OK, save finish. Save OK, save finish. @ web servlet. What is there? @ web servlet. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. @ web servlet. That's fine. In Eclipse, Maven Git built-in plugin, no need to install. While installing Jenkins also, we got Maven Git plugin. Can we use them for Jenkins instead of installing separately? Plugins will not come. Plugins we have installed. Na? But to configure those plugin, we need a software, or we can use install automatically option. That's your choice. Plugins coming by default, but plugin need to point to software. Na? Those software either you have to install or you have to choose install software automatically. Afros, Afros, I think you got the point. Here is what? Wish. Yeah, tell me here. Here is what? Do get method. What method? Do. Yes, public wide do get. Request and response. Get print writer object. What object, guys? Print writer object. Print writer PW is equal to res dot get write. Res dot get writer. Set response content type. Res dot set content type. What is there? Text slash HTML. What slash HTML? Text slash HTML. Okay. Hmm. That's good. Set response content type. Res dot set content type. Okay. Write the message. BW dot println H1 style color colon red text hyphen align center. What is there? Good morning. Yeah, when you meet anyone for the first time, you can say what? Good morning. Yeah. Next, what is there? Close the stream. What is there? PW dot close. PW dot close. Yeah. Tell me next one. Where is this do post method? Here is what? Public. What is there? Public wide. From do post, we are calling do get method or not there, guys? From do post, we are calling do get method or not there, guys? Got it? Yes. That's good. Tell me. Yes. Web servlet this. Okay. Yeah. Better to configure welcome file kind of stuff now, guys. Better to configure welcome file kind of stuff. WebINF, web.xml. Okay. WebINF, web.xml. Tell me. Welcome file list. Under this, what is there? Welcome file. Where is this? Index.html. What .html, guys? Index.html. What .html? Index.html. That's fine. Jenkins web app, run on server. Say this. I'm trying to test in local environment first. Say finish, save okay. Say finish, save okay. Show wish message, good morning. Array, 1 minute. It's better to have one hyperlink also now, my dear. Add home hyperlink. Today just setup is ready, guys. Actual automation is not done. That actual automation I'm going to take up in next 1 2 sessions. Okay, what is there? PW dot println. PW dot println. Tell me. BR A href. BR A href. What is there? Index dot html. What is there? Oh. Index dot html. What is there? What? Home. That's good. Right click run on server, guys. Tomcat 11. Say next. Say finish. Show wish message. Home. Show wish message. Home. Is that clear, my dear? Come on. Yes. That's good. Hmm. In Eclipse, Maven, Git built-in, all this stuff is there, guys. This is my chat, guys. Come on. Welcome to Jenkins. Show wish message. We are getting the story there or not there, guys? We are simply getting the story. But keeping this one in what? GitHub, getting the project, running the code. That's a big thing. So actually setup is ready. Build and deployment automation. I should start doing it. Build and deployment automation. I should start doing it, right? Yes. Okay, let's go for it. Where is the story, guys? Google Drive base. What is there, guys? Google Drive base. Google Drive base. Tell me. Hmm. Here is what, guys? 2201 2026. No, no, no. That is different. DevSecApps. Where is DevSecApps? Here. This one, na? Yes. Jenkins. Jenkins. Okay. Let me save the document, guys. Let me save the doc. Setup looks easy as long as my hands are operating here. So I want you people to take the things into your control and I want you people to practice. I hope you will do it. Okay. Class content, tools FS 906. Where is this? Jenkins. Okay, second one. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll discuss more.